That's okay. Well, hi, Roxy. Did you go swimming? Pretty girl. Hey. Come on, guys. Let's go. Tank, come on. You gotta get some exercise. Oh, Roxy, what about you, princess? Yeah. Okay, come on, guys. Let's go. Oh. I'll just tell her she doesn't need to worry about him. Kaya. Oh, you guys. It's Kaya.
Kaya.
Who's running the show, Kaya?
Buckley. Buckley.
Okay.
She wants somebody to throw the ball. Okay.
You're staring at the ball?
Wait, is that Buckley?
No, that's
No,
Phoebe. Beautiful Olive. Hi. Okay. Well, maybe we'll go continue on. What do you think, Augie?